Looks like he had the same idea too. Mike, what'd you get at Best Buy? You do a little, what is that? Okay. All right, we're leaving. Look at that. This thing's called the Epic Bar, dude. What the hell? Chicken sriracha? Venison? Venison as in like a deer, dude? What the heck? Yo, that's crazy. That's some crazy stuff. Lana, it's your birthday tomorrow, right?
All right.
What's your choice here? You get to pick your birthday card.
Okay.
Obviously for the girls,
Okay.
you know.
2. Where's the 5? Where's the 5?
Oh, it's the you combining. No, you can't do that.
Why not?
Free to dream.
Okay.
Open it up. What does it say? Does it have a music?
Oh, it doesn't. I thought it would.
Oh, I thought.
Oh,
Yeah.
magnet.
It's a magnet.
It's 2 for 1. You get card and magnet.
That's cool.
That's cool. As smart as any Jedi, as cool as any droid. Happy birthday to super cool and awesome human.
Wow. Too bad you're never gonna know this guy. He's part of the
We
stupid
are
the sequels. Too bad you're never gonna know that. And honestly, BB-8 is one of my favorite characters of the new. Like I like him more than R2 and C-3PO. BB-8. BB-8, double B's. So my PC build is almost done. I actually canceled the Ryzen 9 5900X because B&H was gonna ship it in March, and no, I cannot wait until March. There's gonna be new CPUs by the time that thing ships to my house. So I got the 5800X once it was in stock in Amazon, and I use a lot of Amazon credits, so I got it down to 370, you know, down from 450. So $80 savings on the latest AMD Ryzen 7. Great price. Arctic Liquid Freezer 2. This is one of the best, if not the best, liquid cooler. I got it for 104. I think that's a little overpriced, but Arctic, I think, are increasing prices because of the tariffs and all, or it's either that or, you know, it's a very hot item. Kind of sounds ironic to say that because it's a cooler, but it's a hot item, you know, being the best liquid cooler out there. It's hard to come by with stock. Ideally, I would have gotten the 280 millimeter, but again, out of stock, so can't really do anything there. Then MSI B550 Gaming Carbon Wi-Fi motherboard. This thing was on sale for 180, down from 220, I believe. So I got it for 180. One of the higher end motherboards you can get. Very good for the price too. It competes with motherboards that are $250, $300+. Lots of overclocking potential here, which I kind of plan to do. Then we got this one, which is a Steel Crucial Ballistics 32GB, DDR4, 3200, CL16 memory. One of the most bang for buck, high quality RAM you can get. I always go for anything Crucial. They're so good, and they have great overclocking potential. I got it for $51. I believe normal price is about $150. Amazon had it for 90, and then I use Amazon credit, get it down to 51. Samsung 970 Evo 500GB M.2 NVMe. This is going to be my boot drive for Windows, so it's going to be very fast, and then a lot of like applications that I'm going to normally access and stuff. Maybe a little bit of like video editing, I don't know. But $70 down from like 120, 130-ish. Gonna keep my old hard drives, of course, and no additional cost there. Corsair 4000D Airflow, nice, clean, high airflow case. You know, gotta get as cool as I can if I'm gonna, you know, go all out with overclocking and stuff. $69.98, down $10. So Superflower, pretty much a top tier PSU. It's gonna last many years.
Superflow is one of the best companies out there, and it is $129. I got it for $20 off. And then a bunch of Arctic Bionics fans. Arctic makes some of the best case fans, best coolers out there. They don't have RGB, but that they don't need it, right? RGB just adds to the cost. Silent fans are needed. Silent and highly air efficient fans. So I also save more because it's not RGB, right? Usually the Corsair RGB fans are like $30, pretty much half the price for a better fan. And then I'll keep the RGB strips that I have in my old build, just to light up the parts in the inside, but most of this isn't RGB. $1,000 purchase, $1,000 so far, and just missing the graphics card, which is about what, $650 for if I go AMD, and then is it $700 for an RTX 3080? About $1,700 total for my new PC build, which is very, very good, considering the price and the performance, right? I'm going pretty top tier here, high-end top tier specs, and for $1,700 is very good. This could have easily been probably over $2,000, right? So $1,700 is not bad. Very happy with this.
Oh, I don't. I'm sorry.
He didn't catch on fire.
You see. Yeah, it's that big one that you're handling right now that I'm like.
25. Happy birthday, Lana. Happy birthday.
Get closer, yo.
My freaking dress.
Let's go, cock and coke.
Do it.
That is, yo. Okay, so right now it's Black Friday. I'm just gonna meet up with some friends, specifically Alana, Michael, and Peter. Haven't seen Peter at all this year, I think. You know, especially like COVID and stuff. So it'd be kind of cool to catch up with that guy. Peter's a great guy. All right, and yeah, just gonna probably go out. Eat. I'm just gonna eat a little light. You know, of course, I don't really have a motivation to eat a lot of food just because of you know, no taste and smell. And yeah, today's Black Friday. I pretty much ate a lot of good food this week, but yeah. So Black Friday, did a little bit of shopping, mostly online though, of course, because there's no point of doing it in person, right? Especially with COVID. And a lot of the deals happened, you know, within the start of this month, right? So I'm just gonna wait on Peter or Alana and Michael to hit me up and know where we're gonna chill at for the time being, and then catch up with them. So yeah. All right, so just finished meeting up with my friends. They went ahead and got some poke. I didn't eat any because I wasn't really hungry. You know, there's no point of me eating when I'm not hungry these days. And then we got some T4. I haven't been to T4 in ages. I already finished my drink, which is the yogurt green tea. I love this. This is one of my favorites just because it reminds me of like Yakult, right? Like a huge portion of Yakult that you're drinking with a slight green tea flavor. I got this also because my cousin told me to throw it away for her. Gosh, that's not my cousin, all right? And special delivery to my mommy.
Taro milkshakes.
All right. All right. This is, I gotta deliver this before it melts, right? So,
Cool.
So I just got done walking for an hour with my cousin Alana around her neighborhood. She has a nice gated community, nice big old park in the middle with a basketball hoop and playground and such. Got me thinking that I should probably get back into basketball. That'd be a good sport to get back into. You know, I played basketball growing up and I played blind. So, you know, that was probably one of the things that helped me aim a lot better, like muscle memory, knowing how to aim, was to play blind. So I'll probably be able to play pretty good now that I wear contacts. Of course, I'm going to be hella rusty and all, but maybe I should pick up a basketball tomorrow and get back to hooping. Ball is life, right? So we'll see. So just gonna go back home. Just a nice little chill walk, talking stuff, walking, talking. Yeah.